Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to Kiki's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a few things. I'll probably post maybe one, maybe two a day, but we're going to make a few things today because I'm having a little dinner party tonight. It's Friday night. Why not, right? So I'm going to make the simplest of simple desserts that is just delicious. And it involves angel food cake, which you can buy at the grocery store. You don't have to make one. I happen to have a white cake mix in the pantry. So I just quick made a cake, and that took no time. And it was also about 98 cents versus probably the $4 you're going to buy for the angel food cake in the store, but you do it your way. What I have here is my big mixing bowl, and I have stuck my bowl in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Get it nice and cold. And what we're going to do, what we're making is a trifle. And it's going to go into a clear bowl. This is a trifle bowl, but you can have any kind of clear bowl, only because you want to see the layers because it's so pretty, right? So, so here's my cake, kind of all crumbled up already, and this is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So in it's going to go and I use my whisk attachment, of course, because I'm whisking it. Now this one's a little different because this is a caramel, making a caramel trifle cake. It's so, trifle cake, a caramel trifle. So simple. It's going to have layers of angel food cake. It's going to have a caramel whipped cream, and we're going to use Heath bits, and we're going to use a little caramel. You can put any combination you want, but to make this one, you definitely want the toffee bits. So I'm going to get this going, and to this, I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. So in it's going to go, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this until it's just combined. Then we're going to take it out of the mixer, and we're going to put it into the refrigerator and let it sit for about 20 minutes. I think that helps it to stabilize a little bit. Then we're going to take it back out again after the 20 minutes, and we're going to beat it into a cream so it forms nice stiff peaks. So let's get this blended up just a little bit so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to get a spatula. Push that down in there. I gotta tell you, just brown sugar and vanilla, and it already smells really good. So, get this here. Let it spin just a little bit more. Get the rest of that cream in there. Okay. Take this off. And I'm going to sit this. This is what it looks like. Just nice and combined. And I'm going to put that in the fridge for 20 minutes. I'll see you in 20. Okay, so the 20 minutes had elapsed, and I went ahead and beat it so you wouldn't have to hear it until it forms nice stiff peaks. You see that? And it is, I don't mind telling you, it's pretty good. My husband stopped home for a little lunch break, and he got to sample this. He does have a sweet tooth. This is so simple, and yet it is so good. So what we're going to do is I have actually some store-bought chocolate muffins, and I'm going to mix those in. This is just whatever you want to put in here. This is the method I'm showing you. But I will tell you, if you want the let me get it out. I'll get there. The toffee flavor, the caramel flavor. This is a caramel trifle. Then this is the whipped cream you want to do. It's 2 cups heavy cream, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you beat it until it's incorporated, refrigerate it for 20 minutes, and then beat it until it's nice stiff peaks. Then it's just a matter of layering it. So This is you put your cake down first, and this is my angel food cake. Again, you can buy store-bought cake if you so desire. I'm going to mix in a few of those store-bought muffins here, just because I want to. So I got a nice little layer of that. Then I'm going to put some whipped cream over the top of that. Kind of smooth it around a little bit, get it up to the edges. I'm making my dessert first because I want it to set up in the refrigerator. So that's going first. Plus I want to make other videos and I just can't leave my phone open for more than one video at a time. So now we got, maybe one more little scoop. So now that's in. I'm going to dump some these Heath Triffle toffee bits. Yum. I'm going to add some mini chocolate chips because I want to. Just a few. And then these little things, these little caramel bits. If you don't like any of these things, then just make it your own. Now I'm going to take a chocolate chip muffin and kind of crumble that as my next layer. Get it kind of everywhere. Some more whipped cream. Spread it out. Get it to the edges. You know me and my corners, right? Always get it to the corner. Right up to the edges. Let's put some more Heath bar sprinkles in there. A couple of little chocolate chippies in there. These caramel bites make great cookies too. If you've ever never baked with them, pick them up. They're kind of an interesting thing to have. I didn't get them spread out very well though. I want to get them everywhere so everybody gets a little something something when they bite it. Now we're going to go back with some cake. This is, you know, I do this when bundt cakes don't work out for me. You gotta do something with it. So I either make cake pops or trifle. This one came out good, but this was my intention. Doesn't always work out that way. Best laid plans, my friends. Excuse me 1 second. Hang on 1 second. All right. Some whipped cream. Save that for the top. And this will all meld together, so don't worry. Oops, almost lost my train. Toffee bits. The rest of my, well, maybe I'll save a few chips for the top. Spread these out by hand versus the dumping method. And a little bit more cake. You can cube it, you can crumble it. It doesn't matter. This trifle will serve about 12 people. Push it down a little bit. All right. Let me wash my hands. What happened to that one? The rest of my whipped cream. Could have used a little bit more, but this should be fine. Spread that all out. Until I'm concentrating. When I'm not talking to you, that's what I'm doing. You know how that's good. You know that's my story. All right. Get the rest of that in there. And we'll top it with some more of these toffee bits. The rest of our chocolate chips. A few more caramels. I'm going to put those towards the edge because I think I'm going to put just a couple of cake crumbles in the middle. And there we go. And we're done. Ta-da! It'll be delicious, trust me. So, that's the end of this one, and I'm going to move on to my next thing. See you later, bye.